Okay, this one is gonna save you guys some bad reviews. If you have a luxury vacation rental and you're stocking your kitchen, make sure you have these amenities or you're gonna get a bad review. Top 4 kitchen amenities and essentials you must have. Let's dive into it. Number 1, great cookware. If you have awesome pots and pans, that's gonna make cooking a breeze for your guests. Again, guests are gonna be touching things, so you want it to be really nice. Get good quality pans. I shop my entire kitchen on Williams-Sonoma because the product is fantastic. So make sure you spend the money on good pots and pans. Number 2, this is essential gadgets. Things that you really must have. You wanna have a can opener, like a blender, the measuring cups, the little teaspoon cups, the little whisk, vegetable pillar. What do you guys think about ice cube trays? I got reamed by a guest because I didn't have ice cube trays. So what do you guys think about that? Is that a must now? Number 3, this is pretty much a must if you're attracting the luxury side of the guests and vacation rentals, is you gotta have a great set of knives. You want them to be sharp. It's way easier for guests to be cooking food and whatnot. I always have like really good quality steak knives, regular knives, and then like a nice knife set that just sits on the counter. Again, I shop all of this on Williams-Sonoma because they have the best quality and it's easy for me to shop the entire kitchen. Number 4, you want to make sure you stock your pantry. What I mean by stocking your pantry: salt, pepper, some basic oils. Whatever you can do to add a little bit of flair in your pantry will make cooking a lot easier. Do you guys provide coffee or coffee grounds? I'm curious to know about that. Also on Minoan, they have insane amounts of consumable products you can go on there, like all kinds of stuff for your kitchen. So I would definitely check that out. Now those are just some of the basics. I'm trying to save you guys from a headache. I just managed a property and got reamed on the kitchen because I didn't provide, ice trays. My scissors were dull. We had a couple knives that weren't that sharp. It was not a good review, let me just tell you. So sometimes you might have to replace a bunch of items in your kitchen. Now, I know this might be overwhelming, but I literally shop my entire kitchen on Williams-Sonoma, like I was saying, because I can get everything from toasters and blenders and all that stuff. And I get it for insane discounts. So if you check out Minoan, they have all this stuff for you guys. It will make it really easy. You can just shop all the stuff they have and it will make your life a lot easier. So go shop them, link in my bio.